Hey guys, we received this 6 pieces car wheel cleaning pro kit for test and try. It have a tire brush, soft-bristled rim brush, and microfiber bendable brush, double-ended detailing brush, and detailing pads. Scratch-free and multi-purpose, so you can just not use for the wheel but other things as well. Comes in this nice thing, and as you can see, this comes with this nice microfiber clothing thing, and this have this 2.55 by 16 inches brush and two pads. So so this one is like for the screws thing and detailing thing that we can see. So there is a big brush like the wheel surfaces, and this one is for a flexible double-ended. This one is the tire detailing brush, and this one is your soft bristle detailing brush. So here is the all kit that comes. So let me see like how this works. So this nice, you can see like soft bristle detailing brush can work. You can also like soak it with the soap and then use it, but I'm just doing it dry so I can show it in the video properly, so no splash of the water and things on mobile. And here it's easy to clean that, as you can see. And then there is other like detailing brushes that use for the screws, and then the other things. So nice soft bristle, no scratches and nothing. And also have this soft bristled detailing brush with this wheel surfaces, and detailing pad as well, so that I will show you. So cleaning is easy, the handles are ergonomic. So the microfiber cloth for cleaning or the absorbing water if it is, and this is the detailing pad that you can use. So soft thing just to clean up, as you can see it's collecting the dust, so pretty good. So you can also wipe it with the microfiber cloth for the window that you can have. And this is the brush, as I was talking, it's clean the wheel surface or inside thing as well.